Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Tuesday, 18th day of October. Here we go. Okay, I just want to remind you again that there'll be a special davening for Hoshana Rabbah, which is on Wednesday morning. And all the details of the Hoshana Rabbah davening were described in yesterday's Daily Dvar. It is your last chance to say Tashlich right up to Hoshana Rabbah, and that's it. That's your last chance to say Tashlich if you have not said it yet. And now a couple of laws that you'll need to know for Shmini Atzeres and for Simchas Torah. On Shmini Atzeres at Musaf, we will be switching over to saying Mashiv Haruach Umorid Hagashem. Now that will start in the silent Shmona Esrei of Musaf. The Gabbai will probably announce it right before Shmona Esrei, and that will be the signal that everybody will be switching over to saying Mashiv Haruach, and then there'll be the special Chazin's ceremony, I guess I could call it, the special thing that the Chazan will say as prayers that we ask for a good season with Hashem bringing rain for all of us. It's called Tfilas Geshem. Okay, and other laws that you'll need to know. Of course, the usual, I'll just say it quickly. If you forget to say Mashiv Baruch Morid Agashem, you need to repeat the Shmona Esrei. That law applies to Shachris, Mincha, and Ma'ariv. If you don't know, I always say this whenever there's a switchover. If you don't know what you did, then you have to assume that you probably went with your old habit, and you have to assume that you did not say the right thing until you say it 90, or some say 101 times, together with the words right before it. If you do that 101 times in a row, then your habit has officially changed. And then if you forget what you do or did, then you could assume that you did the right thing. Also, I want to tell you that during this period, the 3 days of Thursday, Friday, and Shabbos, I won't be able to speak to you because it's going to be, at least outside of Israel, it's going to be 2 days of Yontif and Shabbos. So I want to tell you quickly one more law that you'll need to know for Simchas Torah, which outside of Israel will take place on Friday, and that is when dancing with Torahs, please remember that they are very, very, very respected items, and you're never allowed to dance wildly with it. Of course, happily, yes, but wildly, no. It's a very precious item, a Torah, and therefore treat it respectfully when you daven with a Torah. More laws that we will give you on Wednesday leading into Simchas Torah and the Shabbos following Simchas Torah, but that will give you on Tuesday night going into Wednesday. Also, watch for the schedules in your shuls. A lot of shuls will be doing special things on Tuesday night, extra learning, extra Torah, all because of the importance of Hoshana Rabbah, which begins on Tuesday night. Thanks for logging on. Log on again Tuesday night going into Wednesday for a couple more laws before Shmini Atzeres, Simchas Torah, and Shabbos Bereishis. Bye-bye.